Freightliner inspiration. The main feature of the truck that you see on the screen is the possibility to use it as an unmanned vehicle. The freight truck, the Freightliner inspiration, even got permission to be used on public roads. The vehicle uses the intelligent system the Daimler Highway Pilot, which was previously used in the German Mercedes-Benz Future truck. The manufacturer specifies that the truck is not designed for driving without a pilot. The intellectual system is built in like a companion for a more efficient, safe and easy ride. This is possible thanks to the radar unit installed on the front bumper. It scans the road, registering cars and objects in a range of 250 meters. This allows the truck to move by itself to another lane, controlling the speed of movement and automatically braking if there's a threat of collision. Cameras located on the sides expand the driver's view and reduce blind areas. Renault Trucks T. The French company Renault designed the T-Series for transportation on big roads, providing the operator with optimal conditions for both driving and living. In 2014, these cars were picked as the International Truck of 2015. The jury evaluated cars on different criteria, such as technological innovation, driver comfort, fuel economy, road performance, safety, and of course, environmental friendliness. The trucks of the T-Series have an improved chassis and transmission parameters, and they reduce fuel consumption by 2% compared to their predecessors. The payload was also increased by 114 kilograms. The trucks are equipped with 11-litre and 13-litre engines of 380 or 520 horsepower. The cabs are equipped with a berth as well. In addition, the car uses the smart cruise control system OptiVision. It anticipates changes in speed throughout the journey, determining ascents and descents and choosing the most economical transmission. Volvo Concept Truck. Here we have the first hybrid truck for all freight operations, created by the Swedish company Volvo. The task of the manufacturer was to maximize the efficiency of cargo transportation. A unique feature of the Volvo concept truck is its reduced fuel consumption, as well as the reduction of carbon dioxide emissions. The tires are designed to resist rolling, and in addition, the aerodynamics have been improved. Panel deflectors have been added for additional protection of the wheels as well. The built-in intelligent system Volvo IC conducts route analysis and independently calculates an efficient and economical algorithm for the engine and the electric motor. The vehicle's designed to restore energy during a ride downhill and then spend it while driving on the straight roads. This reduces fuel consumption by about 30%. Scania S730 V8. This car belongs to the S-Series of the Swedish company Scania, and it received the title of Truck of 2017. Its most important features are its form, increasing aerodynamics, enhanced storage capabilities, and a very broad overview from the driver's seat. Scania engines have amazing economy. Reduced engine rotational frequency reduces fuel consumption by 3%. In addition to standard working and fog lamps, the Scania S730 V8 has been equipped with LED navigation lights, driving lights, and additional lights in the upper corners of the cabin. This system will optimally illuminate the road, even in conditions of total darkness. Large mirrors reduce the blind areas in the field of view of the driver. There are also mirrors above the passenger door and windshield, which significantly expands the parking possibilities. Another advantage is its really spacious cabin, which is comfortable even for a 2-meter tall driver. Freightliner Supertruck. A few years ago, Daimler AG presented the experimental truck the Freightliner Supertruck, a vehicle with a lot of interesting innovations. The manufacturer claims that this car consumes only 3.7 litres of fuel per 20 kilometres of track. Standard trucks use about 2 times more fuel in a similar distance. In the creation process, the engineers refused to use paper drawings. For 6 months, they've been creating and improving the look of the vehicle, and each curve was perfected using a digital wind model. In the end, the creators chose an inclined windshield, rounded corners, and partially closed wheels. All this allowed to optimize the air resistance, increasing the efficiency on the road. The frame of the truck weighs 317 kilograms less than in other models. New rail reinforcement strips reduce the weight by about 150 kilograms. This complex design ultimately increases the efficiency of cargo transportation by 115%. MAN TGX XXL Performance Lion. The car that you see on the screen is the MAN TGX. It's the best in its class, and according to the manufacturers, it's the best solution for transporting goods over long distances. It has a great fuel efficiency, which makes the vehicle more reliable and economical. The comfort of the driver affects the cargo carrying performance and the safety on the road. Therefore, much attention was paid to the interior space of the cabin. You can choose any of 3 cab height options, as well as the size of the berth. The effective aerodynamics of the vehicle and the numerous auxiliary electronic systems allow it to achieve maximum performance with the minimum possible fuel consumption. The Performance Lion model, which you see on the screen, came out in a limited edition. It features an increased capacity of 20.5 tons. Other exclusive features are factory tuning, Kelsa accessories, Alcoa aluminium wheel discs, and leather seats. DAF XF, CF, and LF. For many years, DAF has worked on the production of cars, focusing on maximizing freight productivity and low operating costs. In the end, they introduced a series of trucks known as the XF, CF, and LF. The XF and CF models were picked as the International Truck of 2018. They show a 7% lower fuel consumption and withstand 100 kilograms more payload, while the service interval exceeds 200,000 kilometers. The LF model is a more modest vehicle due to its smaller size. It saves up to 6% of fuel, and the service interval is 60,000 kilometers. The most notable feature are the 60 different types of rear canopy. The high fuel efficiency is achieved thanks to the steering pump, as well as the cooling system with a variable speed. They provide high mechanical efficiency. Mack Anthem. In the winter of 2017, Mack stopped producing its Titan truck, which was being produced since 2008. 6 months later, its replacement, a truck known as the Mack Anthem, was shown to the public. First of all, its cool design strikes the eye. The creators gave the truck a massive front bumper with chrome inlays and wide wings. They have built-in LED lights, which have a 67% greater brightness compared to conventional headlights. It was decided to equip the truck with additional rear-view mirrors, which are located on the hood, and provide the driver with an excellent overview and a better feeling of the overall dimensions. The Mack Anthem seems massive, but the manufacturer paid attention to the aerodynamics. The cab is designed to save up to 3% of the fuel compared to its predecessor. The interior of the cabin is designed in a futuristic style. The sleeping compartment is high enough to allow the driver to even stand upright.